Sun City Bluffton real estate at Sun City Hilton Head is a top choice for active adults. Yes, the active adult community for those 55 plus and better is jam-packed with great amenities and social opportunities with its many clubs, groups and organizations. Located in the heart of the Bluffton, South Carolina, Lowcountry, there are beautiful landscape, wooded, lagoon and golf views from the many resale homes and new homes for sale in the community. There are also active Bluffton real estate listings of villas for sale at Sun City Hilton Head. The gated golf community of Sun City Hilton Head is the Southeast signature destination for active adults age 50 plus and better. What are your special interests? Do you have hobbies you enjoy? Do you enjoy leisure activities or sports? How about golf? Tennis? Pickleball? Softball? Or do you enjoy the theater? Dance? Aerobics? Games? Clubs? Crafts? Do you enjoy swimming or relaxing by a pool? Sun City Hilton Head in Bluffton, South Carolina has it all. Many homebuyers and retirees from around the globe have turned to Sun City Bluffton Real Estate, and Sun City Hilton Head is their top choice for new homes. Whether a second home, vacation villa or permanent residence, Sun City Hilton Head has quite a nice selection of homes offering a variety of top features and floor plans. Search Sun City Bluffton Real Estate at Sun City Hilton Head today online at Steve Wallace Real Estate. Search Sun City Common, Sun City Riverbend, and Sun City North Homes for sale. Speak with your gated community specialist, Steve Wallace, to learn more about Sun City Hilton Head. Call 843-540-4282. Speak with Steve Wallace today. Your Sun City Bluffton real estate dreams, Steve's mission.